Hello world, welcome back to my channel. I am Sahil and we are developing a full secure authentication and post management system using Node.js, MongoDB, express.js and EJS templating engine. And in previous video you have already seen how I worked on this page, create new post page to make it dynamic. Now today in this video I'm going to show you how to work on my posts page. So basically here I will fetch all the posts related to the current logged in user and display here. Okay, so let's start. So this is my project inside VS Code and here I already started npm run dev command. Okay, so let's close this terminal. Now first I will go to routes directory and open this post routes.js file. Now here you can see this is the route for the my posts page. Okay, so here I will write code to fetch all the posts related to current logged in user from the database and pass to this view. Okay, so here first what I will do is I will use try and catch block. In case of any error, we will display the error in console. Just write error, and I will also use flash message here, so just use error, and then here I will write an error occur while fetching your posts. Okay, and we will use res.redirect to my posts page. Okay, now in try block, first I will get the current logged in user ID from the session. So for this here I will write user ID is equal to request dot session dot user variable dot underscore ID. Okay, so using this we will get the current logged in user ID into this user ID constant. Now next I will use const user await. Okay, so here we are using await, so we have to use async here. Now next I will use user model find by ID. Now here I will pass user ID. So this code will fetch the user from the database using this user ID. Okay, now we want post instead of user, so here we can also use populate method, and here we will write post. So along with user we will also get post to this for this user only. Okay, so we can use populate method and just write the posts here. Okay, now next I will check a condition if not user. If user is not found, then in this case we will use request.flash message, and here we will write error user not found message, and we will redirect to res.redirect to the home page. Simply use res.redirect to home page, use return here. Okay, now in case user is found, then here I will cut this res.render method from here and paste it here. Now let me okay, so we are sending title active for nav, so here I will also send posts is equal to user dot posts. Okay, now we are fetching the user into this user variable along with post of this user. That's why here I'm using user dot posts. Okay, now I think all done here. Let's go to the view file. So open my hyphen post view file. So inside view directory, then this is the posts directory, this is the my post.ejs file. Okay, so here you can see I have already designed using bootstrap 5. So here I will cut this tr, and here I will use for each loop to iterate. Okay, so let me use this tag, and here just write posts dot for each loop and I will access the single post, and then here let me close and also open. Okay, now paste the tr code here. Now here I will display the title, post title, so just use this output tag and you can use post dot title, and in content I will use the same output tag, and here I will write post dot content, and in post image I will use img tag, and in src I will use uploads, and then I will use the output tag, and here I will write post dot image. Okay, I will not use alt here. If you want to use alt, then you have to give a value here, so I will use, let me write post dot title, and then I will use some bootstrap class also. So here I will write img fluid, img thumbnail, and I will use width 100. Okay, now here in post created at I will use post dot created at. Okay, if I save and go to the browser and let me reload. Okay, so we have to log in first, so let me log in and go to my posts. Okay, so here you can see there are two posts showing dynamically. Okay, so this is the title, this is the content, this is the image, and this is the created at. Okay, if I go to database and check, so I have logged in with this user, your developer 653@gmail.com. okay, now this user contains only two posts, that's why here showing two posts. So now let me limit the number of character of this content because this is too long. Okay, so here what we can do is I will use substring method, and I will display only 50 characters. So just write 0, 50, and then I will concatenate with the ... and I will also format this date. Okay, so here we can use two local date string. Now this will format the date into this. Okay, I think we will also use one more action button here. So here let me give some bootstrap class, btn sm btn success. Now in href I will write post and then the slug. So post dot slug here, and just write view. Okay, now in edit I will remove this, and then I will use post dot underscore id. Okay, and for delete I will also use underscore and slash, and then here I will display post dot underscore id. Okay, and let me save this and go to the browser and reload. Now you can see there are three actions button now showing view, edit, and delete. So if I click on views, then we are going to this page. For now this is the static page, so we will make this dynamic later. Okay, now if I click here, then you can see we are getting this slug dynamic in the URL. Okay, so according to this slug we will fetch the content from the database and display here in this page. Okay, dynamically. And in next video we will see how to delete a post and how to edit a post. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit on like button and please subscribe my channel.